This is your girl for Scalina and I'm tuning to Kwabena Costy. Hello Ghana, this is your girl for Scalina and I'm tuning to Kwabena Costy. is your girl Frescalina, and I'm tuning to Kwabena Costy.
Three singing birds told me, by sunrise he's always there in the morning, praying and blessing the day. I've heard about
Radio Papa, thank you.
Through the rain, God will be there. Take your burden to the Lord in prayer. Lay them all down and leave them there. Where are my regular lovers? Come on.
Don't you cry.
Every little thing's gonna be alright. Don't you cry. Little things will be alright. Don't you cry. Worry no more. Every little thing's gonna be alright. Oh, it's gonna be alright. My Chabona, come on. Yeah. Jambaina. Sembaina. Yariabaina. Let me talk to you. Sika semno. Abawono. Koto semno. Now if you won't come, you know right, Yesu. Now when you semno, catch your on no kwa. Now you tell them, yeah, every little thing.
Have a blessed day.
Hello Ghana, this is your girl Frescalina, and I'm tuning to Kwabena Costy.
Every little thing. Tell your neighbor, don't you cry.
Radio Papa,
Dry your teary eyes. Don't you know God is by your side? From side to side. Through the fire, He will be there. Through the storm, God will be there. Through the rain, God will be there. Take your burden to the Lord in prayer. Lay them all down and leave them there. Where are my regular lovers? Come on.
The mid-morning show. Have a blessed day.
Don't you cry. Oh Lord. Every little thing will be alright. Don't you cry. Worry no more. Every little thing's gonna be alright. Oh, it's gonna be alright.
Right, so do you know sometimes the problem is staying so long at the place when we were supposed to have moved? When the right activity happens at the wrong location, it affects productivity. But don't worry, you'll be fine. Good morning, folks. I hope you are doing good. That's right, so this
Let me talk to you.
is a Adwuma right here on your radio, 93.3 FM, of course. It's a beautiful Tuesday morning, terrific Tuesday morning, and it's exactly 30 minutes after 10. Still tuning to 93.3 FM. And of course, my name is Jenny Champon Boat in the Cosmos. Call me Bruce Money, call me Kwabena Costy, call me Branton for the perfect gentleman. 5th day of the month, April 2022. And yes, indeed, we're here to serve man, to serve God, and also to serve the country. ODA precisely, we're here. Good morning once again. Big shouts to my producers, of course, my able producers. Of course, you are the producers. DJ Shabo and Ohinaba. We're here from now to 12 p.m. I hope you are doing good. Wonderful morning once again. Adwuma, we are born, we ever ready. Me pacho bi I want to say. Yeah, my watching. Akwaba. I the one him kind Adwuma so. E di am just so the Kwabena Costy. You sure so be an hoya pa. And I don't pay many I just don't know why. But I'm in a good mood. Yes. I'm in a good mood. My bacha wa do birthday Nebiano. Happy birthday, Cassia Pan, come on. Today happens to be Mami Sawa's birthday. Hey, sweetheart, at the same. Yamisha Pan on your Cassia and your Koma Swadi in our amen. And then you better the Ayamana. And as you ever said, you. Okay, that I know your mind. Brother, my bonfire and I go upon you, be a brother, you know, I roll about an answer. I know your mind, yes, I'm my we are not in Kosiani at the end of super preparation. And as your pesa,
God will be there. The rain, God will be there. Take your burden to the Lord in prayer. Lay them all down and leave them there.
What's today? Hey, don't you cry. Yeah, baby, you're fine. Every little thing's gonna be alright.
Don't you cry.
And channel pay my mouth motivational message. But before then,
Things will be alright. Don't you
I still want to tell you don't to cry. Because it doesn't matter how many times you have broke down. It's about how you stand up and move forward.
gonna be alright.
It's gonna be alright, just fine.
Come on.
Alright, so send in your messages to 0594841044. 0594841044. I don't like wearing this shirt at all. I tell you, I'm shepherding my tuntum. Billy, share, come around here. Yeah. I tell you, no. White in the room. I'm white as a cry.
I wanna call to seminal.
Why have you know?
Yeah, now if you won't come, you know what's right, yes. Now when you're seminal, catch your on no one. Now you tell them,
Don't you cry. Yeah, baby, you're fine. Every little thing's gonna be. Hey,
don't you cry.
don't you
Little
cry.
darling, cry no more. Every
I no pay.
little thing.
Why they will feed you at one kind of MBA? Remember watching.
Don't you cry.
I'm in charge of taxi drivers. One more day, I'm in a woman.
Little thing. Be alright.
Brother David, good morning. I want to say,
Don't you cry.
stagger one, good morning. A Pasco watching me who watch it. Medicine, me who watch a papa. MP3. I want to say,
Don't you cry. Cry.
yeah, from Tanko, you're a taxi driver. Ricardo, you're a taxi driver. Obama, good morning. I want to say, Oba Tampa Jonathan, Jonathan, I want to say, and to my big bro, Bright Weezy, Bright Weezy.
Darling, don't you cry. Brother man,
Obi our friend about you say, I didn't know friend about you say.
no, by your side. From such
Alright, young boy,
to the
Weezy.
fire,
Good morning.
you will be there. Through the storm, God will be there. Through the rain, God will be there.
Now I know pay Vision Vocational Training Institute.
To the Lord in prayer.
I know pay pay one kind of family one more ha. Now man, I'm more pomatadia man when I refill your family.
Regular, let's come on.
Okuta Muslim name will be refill. But me chamo director na friend star dem yamini pa Eben no be ade nim no. Eben no be a friend no, but me friend star.
You will cry.
Star.
Oh Lord,
And I say there. One Madam Linda.
you think
Achi, Wamunyaji.
be alright.
That's what the students do morning.
Cry.
But unfortunately, I forgot to lady no palm media. Very funny. I am me up.
Try your
Mr. Urban Fashion, good morning. I said, if you're in Berman Quine, Salum the Gambia.
from side to side.
Wow, so team man pay me patch on bounce watch upon hairdressers.
through the storm,
at the pound for you now, we are chain.
through the rain, God will
Make what come in junction.
be there.
Naturally, say, yeah, more coming in junction. Yeah, good morning.
To the
What to say?
Lord in prayer.
And I am a crowd, so just allow me many. I just don't know why, but at least I'm a crack combination. I no pay.
Well, regular, let's go.
I no pay combination. Semi mood, but
Shut.
me dream upon.
Every little
Or mommy tea half a crap pie. Migraine, I am it.
cry,
Bobby, be by your fire. Let's take this from the top.
every
Be by your fire.
Don't you-
Let's go.
cry your tears.
Good morning to you.
Little
Have
darling,
a
don't you
blessed day.
cry. Brother man, dry your teary eyes. Don't you know God is by your side? From side to side, through the fire, He will be there. Through the storm, God will be there. Through the rain, God will be there. Take your burden to the Lord in prayer. Lay them all down and leave them there. Where are my regular ones? Come on. Shut.
The mid-morning show.
Every little
Have a blessed day.
don't you cry. Oh Lord. Every little thing will be alright. Don't you cry. Worry no more. Every little thing, worry's gonna be alright. My Chabona, come on. Yeah, Jambena, Sembena, Yarevena. Let me talk to you. Sika Semno, Abawono, Koto Semno. Eh, now if you won't come, you know right, Yesu. Now when you semno, catch your on no kwa. Now you tell them, yeah, every little thing. Don't you cry, little darling, cry no more. Every little thing, tell your neighbor, don't you cry. Shed no tear no more.
The mid-morning show.
Every
Have a blessed day.
little thing is gonna be alright. Take it away, baby. Don't you cry no more. God is standing by your side, yeah. Little darling, you don't have to cry. Cry no more. Cry no more. Cry no more. Every little thing will be alright. Hey, it's gonna be alright. Be alright. Tell them. From side to side, everybody. Gonna be alright. Hey, be alright. Every it's gonna be alright. You said it's gonna be alright.
The mid-morning show. The mid-morning show. Have a blessed day.
Radio Papa.
You just wanna jive with me on this one, come on. From side to side.
Pejani pa friso mraso, no di net na mampo medraso. Kai husenya minja tro, kai husenya minja yo. Nia wakafa unyina bejuma, mripa bebo. Kai husenya minja tro, na nya misisato. Nia wakafa unyina bejuma, mripa bebo.
Hello Ghana, this is your girl Scalina and I'm tuning to Kwabena Costy.
Right, to Koswa na Jinyanku Pondi. Every semre papa beba. Koswa je radidi. Every semre papa bi da woni ma twen o.
Na Jesus diado me. At the time for sure to send me.
I come here day. Before I forget, let me say this. I've seen people saying, and I've seen people posting, so Rocky Dauni went to the Grammys with his son, and then he took a picture with his son on the red carpet and things. Please, that guy is not Rocky Dauni's son. Please, before I forget, my main kind of his name is Nabian Pamford. He's also a Ghanaian. I don't see a Ghanaian on Sunya nomination ever Grammy, so he's not Rocky's son. I've seen people like I've seen people posting Rocky Dauni and his son. Rocky, it is not Rocky Dauni and his son, please. Honestly, another Ghanaian honestly nomination in the Grammys as well, but he's a producer. Yes, he's a producer. I think he was on Kanye West's album. Yes, he was on Kanye's album.
Unity.
So you might want to check him out as well. His name is Nabian Pamford. Right, 93.3. I think kind of and also results. If I'm Kwabena Costy, in case you just tune in, Adwuma mid-morning. Music on the background coming from the legendary Kwaku Jesse. You know, when it comes to this gospel fraternity, of course, he's a legend. Right, remember our motivational message. Quickly, let's move on to our daily dose of motivations, and then we continue with the show here on 93.3 FM. As I said earlier, your friend Kwabena Costy, a branch part the perfect gentleman. Once again, let me give a very quick shout out to all the Vision Vocational Training Institutes students, their director, and one of their teachers, she's Linda. Yes, Linda. Right, Color Studios and Negative Embroidery now. So yes, to all your wedding photographies, birthday, studio, picture framing, passport pictures and all. Please, the best place I recommend to you is Color Studios and Negative Embroidery. Yeah, Church Lacoste embroidery, face star cap embroidery, school crest and as school badges in your area. So your frame will come upon them. In fact, your wife's birthday is coming up, your husband's birthday is coming up. You know, you might want to surprise them with, you know, something special. And you see, a frame will do. I mean, a picture frame will do. It will be nice. You know, having a picture. I mean, yeah, it will be very nice. It will be very nice. See, I'm looking forward for one day. I'm just looking forward to one day. Like someone will send me a picture. I mean, a picture frame of myself, and I'll be like, I didn't mean be that. Yes, I want to do it one day. I mean, say, in Kophobia, they won't say you're surprised. Surprise, I had the mic. I share the honey. It is not surprise, but me, I want you to surprise me. So I'll be like, Sometimes you can't go for video with this stress as what is this? What is that? Massa. Picture frame now. Minim send any get it here, but mission. So but my please go to Color Studio. Go on the internet, get one picture, take it to him. And I'll pay a picture frame if I bring it. If an artist you want to draw me as well, just bring it. Just send it over. I'll be glad. And I'll be doing all the you see that thing? Color Studio watch over the Liberty Transport opposite Knop Pharmacy. Hona be hunu abron sign for front as Hona be Color Studios and Negative Embroidery. You patch your friend on 0245 276 0245 276 just hit at him. Jono Asoya Sena bro, our daily dose of motivations this morning. Now, if you want your life to be more rewarding, you have to change the way you think. That is our motivational message this morning. If you want your life to be more rewarding, you have to change the way you think. If you want your life to be more rewarding, change the way you think. I can't do it 3 times. Opese wa brabo swaba. Opese wa brabo ya kono. Me pacho ya sansen ya odwen. Sanya utu wanamo. Sanya wo ye onyoma. Na check hwese nkofo kan ho asem bebere ana. Na ye kan ho asem kra no. Is it in a positive way or the other way around? And say who say enyoma no shadan koye everything is in the negative direction. Yeah, please, you need to change fast. What try plan A, it's not working. Change it and start off with plan B. And Tina may say, if you want your life to be more rewarding, you have to change the way you think. Your approach to certain things, you need to change them. You did it the other way around, you never succeed. Try the other way around as well. You may succeed or you may be successful. And Tanope and Crown Chance your daily dose of motivation. If you want your life to be more rewarding, you have to change the way you think. And you say, eh, no, kwa nemfa. Mepa chokobi. Okobi so na mfa, no akosi. But me as I buy me who be a odwa le o sha se free na se de kosoro. Definitely we wash you one about start if soro. And yenya start free soro sa na kai ho. But when we say won kwa the free soro na se nkoye ma mepa cho free na se ko. Ebe koye. Asem deep upon the macacho. Ye nyina ye binti na wonko a wo ye bidia. E pa cho no ahwe wo ye. Ye nyina ye hyase afiri soro. Ene ye de kofo. Ba wonko afi ase de wo hyase afiri soro de ba fom ayemfa. Aya hyase afiri fom fa kosoro. Enkran hyase ma no pa me de ma woni. Be sure so what ase. Ano pe ma shada pon ase me bube. Me company se ma kasakwa. Enti ma kan kasakwa. Enti wa wo ti kasakwa si bia what the American ase. So on the mid-morning, I always make sure I put the needs of men on top. Yeah, just because I'm a man. Yeah, I need to make sure my guys are, feeling better. All my guys are okay sexually, and you know what I mean, in bed as well. So I always make sure I sell to them the best capsules in town, and that is Fixed Man Capsules. Right, so Fixed Man Capsules has been scientifically tested and immune. Alright, so ensure immune benefits through regular use of the male general well-being, and also it is recommended for the general male vitality, that is the waist pain, back pain, and general body pains. So if you want to get rid of all these, please just enter any pharmacy near you and grab Fixed Man Capsules. Very good for all men. So Adwuma so che won pe museum ba Fixed Man Capsules so ma Adwuma come up trust me. Fixed Man Capsules are available in all pharmacies near you. I fix about for more dental katamanzo for Adwuma, and that's all medru. One of my Fixed Mala mixture. Fixed Mala mixture to treat malaria, fever, headache, cold, dizziness, general body pains as well. Fixed Mala mixture big boy now for ultimate to us here. You get rid of all. I mean, petty. I don't want to say illness because I know my way. No, was I can't fix Mala mixture to us here the mouth. I'm not paying. I'm complaining of migraine. It's a Missani in you, my producers got me one. My name is Tiki Tobacco. It's a condition by me sweating. I'm sure. Say you want to already call by the time I point and I just am I okay. But you want any sansa. Utibu so you call but was skin on dark spot be. A jabos would my tun. It's raw copy. Fix Arabella ointment fasara. Nentema pro school for the Brena Robin Pabo go on my Georgia. On half of 1 team trandometry a bon time. And be most Pabo there. Obesrawa just saw Rogu baby answer Wabefi. I know Rogu was a Jonah, my musu no more. Because she tried that over now as Waba. And your friend fatal. So perfect Arabella ointment fasara on antema pro no munina beko. Now and answer why you are shooting about 6 days. Melro, alright. So now we are. Or that have both chemicals and a main distributor. Okay, yeah, I check more than lobby station or cocoa for more now. 0205-88500 and answer call Greens Pharmacy or Chiniba Pharmacy, Candy Drugstore, Chumesi Drugstore, Chiniba Drugstore, Hoina, and I can't cry. Adenta prayer was 0208444442 and 0302092071 0302092071. I would try out to Mrs. here now for sort out near day. I was your higher hand 93.3 FM. And your birthday, happy birthday, Kasiapa. And come on, once again, happy birthday to our sweetheart, Mami Sewa, oh Jubilee, Bridget Soha. I don't pay an your birthday. Happy birthday, sweetheart. I'm your Kasiapa. You see, and then you may, in fact, Sawa Momentum Cassis here. Sawa Momentum, come Momentum Cassis here. Now we are my down here next year's up to be enough for your preparation. Mammy to Cassie, Mammy who text message. I am preparation after Busan, baby, upper saw corner. Missy Busan, catch him, maybe upper saw corner, you may have found. I am born hooker. Aha, what does it? Just because today is your birthday, just let us know where you really want to go. Hey. We're there for you. We're there for you. Hey, hey, hey. And there's this conversation going on everywhere on the internet. And I'm wondering why Ghanaians are like, hey, Massa, when Mr. Easy was in this country, now you claim he say he is ours. I mean, Mr. Easy. Now the Nigerians are also claiming Black Sheriff. What is our problem? And if you go on audio market,